Where are the distance learning platforms in the cryptocurrency market? Distance learning platforms in the cryptocurrency market are becoming increasingly popular as the demand for knowledge about cryptocurrencies, blockchain and related technologies grows. These platforms offer online courses, webinars, tutorials and other educational resources to help both beginners and professionals better understand this dynamic and complex market. Below, I will detail some of the main aspects of these platforms. Main distance learning platforms in cryptocurrencies? Coursera. Description: Coursera offers courses from renowned universities and companies. It has courses on cryptocurrencies and blockchain taught by institutions such as Princeton University and IBM. Content: Introduction to Bitcoin and Cryptocurrencies, Blockchain, Smart Contracts, Blockchain Development, among others. Udemy. Description: Udemy is a popular platform that allows independent instructors to publish courses on a wide range of topics, including cryptocurrencies. Content: Vast catalog with courses on cryptocurrency trading, mining, blockchain development, investments and security. edX. Description: edX offers courses from higher education institutions such as MIT and Harvard. Content: Courses such as Blockchain and Fintech, The Revolution, from Berkeley and Blockchain for Business, from the Linux Foundation. Binance Academy. Description: Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offers a free educational platform. Content: Tutorials on cryptocurrencies, trading guides, explanations on blockchain technology and security. Crypto Zombies. Description: Gamified platform focused on teaching smart contract development in Ethereum. Content: Learning Solidity, Ethereum programming language, through interactive and gamified lessons. BitDegree. Description: A platform dedicated to teaching digital skills, including cryptocurrency and blockchain courses. Content: Courses on blockchain, dApp development, investments in cryptocurrencies, and security. Types of content offered: Introductory courses, for those just starting out and want to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Advanced courses, focused on more complex topics such as smart contracts, blockchain development, and consensus algorithms. Webinars and workshops, live sessions where experts share their experiences and insights into the cryptocurrency market. Practical tutorials, step-by-step instructions on how to carry out specific activities such as trading, staking, mining, among others. Certifications. Many platforms offer certificates of completion that can be used to prove the knowledge acquired. Thank you, guys.